Several political figures, including expelled State Youth Congress President Ankita Dutta, ASU, AAP leaders will be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party in a formal ceremony that will take place today. Also joining the BJP today are former President of All Assam Student Union, ASU Dipankar Nath, and former ASU Vice President Prakash Das. Meanwhile, sources have also confirmed that former Congress leader Apurva Kumar Medhi is slated to join the Assam Gana Parishad AGP on January 29. On the other hand, former Aam Aadmi Party AAP leader Kamal Kumar Medhi is all set to join the Saffron Party. Reliable sources have confirmed that Medhi is all set to join the BJP on February 5 in a formal ceremony. Medhi's migration to the BJP is coming at a time when several prominent faces of the Congress and the All Assam Students Union are set to join the BJP tomorrow. Medhi has been a controversial figure in the past as he was expelled from the AAP in July last year after he made some alleged derogatory remarks against the Ahom community in general. The expulsion came in after Medhi made an anti-Gogoi remark, causing uproar within the party and drawing criticism from various quarters. Prior to this, Medhi has had a stormy political career, with him being associated with various parties such as the Right Jor Dal, Krisak Mukti Sangram Samiti, and Congress.